Yonik Laser, located in Jinan, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D and manufacturing of laser equipment. Our main products include fiber laser tube cutting machines, fiber laser sheet cutting machines, cleaning machines, and more. Yonik Laser has received multiple high-tech industry awards, with products sold to over 150 countries and regions. With more than 10 years of industry experience, we are committed to serving global customers. The machines can cut various pipes and sheets, such as square tubes, round tubes, angle steel, H-beams, carbon steel plates, and stainless steel plates. Optional bevel cutting meets high difficulty processing demands. Our welding machines integrate welding, cutting, cleaning, and weld seam cleaning in one. Recognized by over 20,000 customers worldwide, Yonik looks forward to cooperating with you.